Hi guys, welcome back. I am Renish Malhan from Pix Compose. Today we will talk how we can create a shape. So basically we will create a preset for the shapes. You can choose a preset if you click on the shape tool. Here you can find the custom shape tools, and from here I can select any shape. You can see I have created two custom shapes and these are the default shapes. Like I have this one. So we will see how we can create the shapes for the custom use. Like in the most cases I need an arrow. For that I will create an arrow. For example, this is my arrow which I want to use again and again. So for that I will select this. Now right click on the layers panel. Here you can find merge shapes. Click on it and the shape is merged now. Now with the layer selected, the shape layer is selected. Go to the edit. Here you will find define custom shape. But this one is gray because we haven't selected any shape tool. Like we have to select a pen tool or we have to select a shape tool. So here I am going to select the pen tool. Now my layer is selected. Here I will go to the edit and here I will find define custom shape. You can see here is the shape. I can name it like arrow. Now hit OK. So we have the arrow. So now if I want to create this arrow again, I don't have to reconstruct it. Just go to the shape tools and here you will find the custom shape tool. Go there. So from the options bar, while selected the shape tool, change the shape profile to the arrow. Now if I draw it, you can see I have the arrow. I can change the color if I double click here. You can notice that the color is changed very effectively. So this is how you can create and save the shape in Photoshop. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and do press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.